What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's M. Williams, your licensed master stylist, and this is Sugar Salon TV. I'm doing a curly perm here. This is a brief video. She's been in my chair once before and got a curly perm. This is her second time. So I've been doing these curly perms for quite some time, you guys, since 1981. So as you can tell, I have some experience in this. And these things are great, you guys. They always make people hair grow. The only time that I've seen anybody have any breakage, or if you wait way too long, or that's the only way that I've seen someone hair come out from the curly perm. Other than that, it is a chemical, and from all my years of experience with it, I've only noticed that it makes people hair grow. This is her hair when I did it the first time before she came in and got it done. I asked her to send me a picture, and that's the picture that you see right there. And so you see her hair is way longer now. It's like mid-back, a bra strap length. So it grew tremendously just with that one curly perm. And again, like I said, my experience with them is that they always make the hair grow. Now, if you guys like my content that I have on my channel, please subscribe or consider subscribing. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. You're the best. And if you're just new to my channel, thank you so much for visiting. I hope you'll consider subscribing. But if you've liked what you've seen so far, or if you do end up watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. That'll be great. So back to my client here with this curly perm. So I'm making this video quick, fast, and in a hurry. And do you see all this hair that she has? OMG. Tons of hair. Tons. And her hair, as you saw from the picture, I put that evidence up there, you guys. Her hair has grown tremendously with just one curly perm. All it takes is one to get some growth going. So again, anytime you get any kind of chemical, in my honest opinion, I feel like, if you're getting a chemical, which would be anything like a curly perm, color in your hair or relaxer, those are all chemicals. I think if you're doing that, you need to be making sure that the stylist whose chair that you're sitting in or you're considering sitting in, make sure you guys that they have experience. Because a chemical can break your hair out in no time. So please do me a huge favor and do yourself a favor and make sure that the stylist is licensed and experienced. Because like I say, God only gives us one head of hair. We only get one head that God gave us. So make sure you take care of your hair. So I'm just twisting her hair up. I put a plastic cap on and let it kind of just marinate. So you guys, this is my website, sugarsalon.net. I started the Sugar Salon brand circa 2008. So now, I'm about to start the rodding process where I'm rodding the hair up on a rod. Like the curly perm, it really made a resurgence. Like I was doing so many at one point, I couldn't even keep up. So a lot of people start getting them. I still do them. A great deal. They look really nice when people have really dense hair, a lot of density, meaning thickness, fullness, and her hair is very, very thick. I thought I was going to have to put like 300 rods in her hair. I mean, she has some super thick hair. Super thick. So I'm combing it, combing it through. Because when you put it on the rods, you want to make sure that the hair is on the rod as smooth as possible. And her hair is super thick, 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 thick. So you guys, if you have any questions about the curly perm, just drop them down below. If you've had a curly perm and you didn't like it, put that down below. If you had a curly perm and you loved it, please drop that comment below. Or if you have any kind of questions about curly perms, just drop it down below in your comments, in the comments down below, and I promise to answer it. Any curly perm questions that you may have, please drop it down below and I will answer. So bam, this is when I finished. I put her under the dryer. As you can see, she's under the dryer. So I just let it dry a little bit so she won't walk out the door with super wet hair. She took some selfies and sent them to me. Isn't she so beautiful? Amazing, amazing, amazing. Look how cute that is. And the last picture is gorgeous. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope to see you on my next video. Please subscribe.